Hello everybody, and welcome to a Minecraft map called Find the Diamond. This is a game called Teardown, and let's see what this sign says. There's a diamond or block somewhere around here. Find it. You can use a sledgehammer or any tool you want. You don't need to fly. So that annihilates anything that would be in the air. Huh? Is that a creeper? No way. New map. I wish it was Find the Creeper. What's wrong with it? Here's what you get for when I used to play Minecraft, and every time I would get literally killed by a creeper. The creeper exploded. I have hardly any frames per second and everything's so loud. Okay, I'm gonna restart the games. Catch you guys later. Hello, and okay, after our incident with Mr. Chainsaw here, we may have ran into a problem with finding the diamond because of Mr. Creeper. So, step one, before we find the diamond, let's get rid of all the creepers. Because we don't want that to happen again. Picking up by his head, zoom him out, and yeet! Now that the creeper's gone, we get back to fun stuff like finding a diamond. Any more creepers? No, but there are mobs. I am getting Minecraft vibes. Where's my... Okay, I just need to... Looking for something that would be in Minecraft. Ew, I know. Hands. Get out of your zombie! Oh yeah. Gravity mod. This control mod. This thing is so cool. Just right click and you pick up a bunch of stuff to throw. This mod is useful. Cut for like just ripping out parts. Anyway, I'm not going to use that a lot because we don't want that. Okay? So yeah. Oh, and this, it's the TVA time stick from Loki if you've ever watched it. Bye, Mr. Villager Nose. Bye, Villager, forever. As you see, it's useful, especially for breaking into houses. Find the diamond. Hey, is this cheating? No. Nope. Ooh, this looks secret. Oh, dirt block. We'll slowly incinerate the houses to mark them down, saying that we've already looked in there. We'll erase every house just to clarify that we've already looked in there. We'll burn it to the ground using the TVA time stick. Meow. If this thing was sold on a black market for like villains, I don't think the world would be safe ever again. Fling, clean cut. Nice. Moist. Wee, 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 wee. Bye-bye, door. Hello, diamond. 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 I'm getting tired of trying to find the diamond. I need to look deeper. And by deeper, oh, yeah, that. Don't judge. If I click, it'll just erase that big circle, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, now, hi there. Okay, oh, I hate that mod. I'm just gonna have to disable that later. Actually, I'm just gonna change the button, actually. That mod would be super useful. Just get on something's head and destroy it. Can't see it. Landed. Tile welder. Huh? 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 No, I must not let you fall. Bye-bye, sir. Sorry. How is he still alive? Red Dragon will deal with him. Okay, the Red Dragon. Oh. Hey. Who's the king? This is my home now. Need to get going in 3. As soon as I say now, I'm gonna break in 3, 2. TVA timestamps. You get rid of the evidence. Police could find his nose. I think I may have made a horrible mistake. Yep. I'm thinking like a diamond, but... I'm breaking the rules. Who cares about tree? Yes. Boom. Done now. Now, as soon as I do a little boop, it's done. What? I thought I did. I thought it's done. That's not even possible. Like this. Oh, wait a minute. I know where. Are you insane? No wonder it didn't want me to fly. You got me. Yeah, I got you! I got you! Whee! I got you! Definitely no. Okay. System. Okay, I think that was a bit cheating. And since this video didn't last as long as I wanted it to last, I will do another map. Let me just teleport there. Okay, since that other one was super kind of short, I'm not sure. Well, I have been putting them together on like the watermark. So, like the watermark thing, not on the watermark, jeez. So this is Minecraft one chunk. And what we are going to try to do on here is... we're just going to cut down the tree with a knife, and then we're going to do more episodes later, so... Yeah, because I don't want to spoil this. I want to save it for another one. So we're just going to cut down the tree with a knife, and that's going to be all since it was kind of short. Actually, yeah. So, thank you. This is defying physics. This is defying physics! Titan!